Well, it has to be a certain way. But nobody told you to want that person. So if a person wants me, I'm open to it, but there's some shit that you gotta do, because otherwise, don't want me. Just knowing yourself. And so as we deal with this card, as we deal with this energy, this lustful result, we have to really understand that you want to cook a meal. That's perfectly fine. But wanting to cook a meal is not going to ever cook a meal. It won't ever cook a meal. Like, I want to cook this food. I want to be in this situation. I want to do all of these things. Like, do you know that is your block? That is the problem, that you want something. All of these, and trust me, spiritual attainment and thinking that you are something is the same as wanting a lot of money. That's deep. Cause you think that, cause a spiritual person is gonna talk shit about a Puff Daddy and a rapper wearing chains and shit. But my nigga, you wanna be just like them. You doing the same shit. How many spiritual people have you seen put out music videos? How many spiritual people are rappers and things of that nature? So, and I'm not even acting like I'm better or worse, because I'm the same way. So trust me, this thing is deeply connected. But in this work, the point that I've gotten to, the point that I'm at now with this energy, is that I don't want anything. We got to really understand this sentence. And if you don't understand this sentence, you're not going to understand the root of the lust of result. And understanding this is pendulated basically on one word: unassuaged. It's a word that is hard to understand. But once you understand this word, you'll understand the lust of result. For pure will, unassuaged of purpose, is delivered from the lust of result, is every way perfect. So pure will is walking in the future, speaking things into existence based upon connection to soul, not based upon trying to make these niggas mad at you this summer, worried about what other people are thinking. You are speaking directly from your soul out of your mouth. Unassuaged of purpose really represents you being burdened with purpose. Every time I move forward, I'm burdened with purpose. Thus, for everything that I say is related to my will. I will do this. I will do that. I will things into existence. If I will do something, I cannot want to do something. Understand that. If I'm willing something, I'm no longer wanting. And so this goes back to what we talked about yesterday. If I'm willing in the moment, I'm no longer wanting. Will and want can't live in the same space. If I'm in want, then that takes up all of my space. My whole space is confined to wanting some shit. As I'm in the space of wanting, I'm not willing. And the result of me wanting is not, it's paralyzing me.